Life is busy with kids, pets, jobs, and never-ending housework. So if you want to start an online store, it can feel like there's never enough time to get things done. Really though, you just have to prioritize working on the right thing to grow your store sales. So if you only had 1 hour a day to work on your business, this is exactly what you should work on. Okay, so let's break this down as a work week schedule of Monday through Friday. So 5 total hours a week to spend on marketing your Shopify store. Because you also need to take some time off on the weekend for mental health and general life happiness. I've tried pushing through, working all the time, and let's just say it did not go well. Starting out the week on Monday, first off, we're going to review our store sales and performance from the last week. How did it compare to the previous week? And how are your sales looking for the month overall? If you want more sales, then you have to be aware of where you're at now and what is or isn't working currently. Review your analytics in Shopify to see your site conversions and what the areas are for improvement. This is also when I set goals for the week. So pick one area that needs improvement based on your numbers and set a target for that. For example, if you want to increase your conversion rate, then look at improving your product page to add in more trust symbols or answer common customer questions to get more add to carts. Or if you want to increase your average order value, consider adding in an upsell app or try bundling similar best-selling products together. I know it can seem overwhelming when you see so many areas of improvement, but just pick one for the week because remember, we're only giving ourselves 1 hour per day. So on Tuesday, you're going to make your total focus for the hour to be on your one goal for the week. I recently read the book, The One Thing, and I highly recommend it. This book is about focusing on your most important work and doing that first. The book actually recommends that you spend the first 4 hours of your day on your one thing, which is awesome if you have the time, but you also have to fulfill orders, manage your email inbox, and other general admin for running a store. So just focus on being your singular focus for one day each week, and you can add more focus here as time goes on. On Wednesday, it's time to batch create your marketing content. Use a tool like Canva to create all your social media graphics for the week and get them scheduled too. You don't have to be posting on every social media platform every day. Just pick one platform to start with that is where a majority of your customers are hanging out online. Then choose 3 themes that you can post about each week. So let's say we're picking Instagram and we're going to create a mindset post, behind the scenes, and product benefits post every week. Having themes helps for consistency for both you and your audience so they know what to expect from you. You can create all these posts and schedule them out in an hour for the week ahead. If you have any extra time here, use that to either catch up on social media responses or create additional posts to schedule out as well. Okay, so now it's Thursday, and for today, I want you to focus on your other marketing efforts like paid advertising or email marketing. Depending where you're at in your business and what your goals are, you can choose which one makes the most sense for you to work on. No matter what your email newsletter list size is currently, I recommend sending 1 to 2 emails per month. These can be at similar topics to what you're posting on for social media and should also include a call to action for them to either follow you on social, learn more about you on your store's about page, or purchase a product. For paid advertising, you can start small with just $5 to $10 a day and only one ad to one audience. It doesn't have to be some huge elaborate system, so stop putting this off for another day. Paid ads can be a great way to grow your business and let people know that you exist. Plus, just focusing on running one ad at a time keeps costs low and doesn't take up a lot of time. If you're interested in seeing exactly how to set up Facebook and Instagram ads for your store with all of the step-by-step instructions, then check out my Facebook ads crash course for only $37. I promise it's gonna make you feel confident running your own ads and help you grow your store sales. Okay, now it's Friday, and I always like to use Friday for tweaking my store design. So much of your store sales can depend on your store design and optimizing it so that it converts into more sales. So again, focus on just one specific page on your site to improve or one product. This can mean changing your site copy to highlight your product benefits better, taking new product photos, or even switching out existing photos on your site to be more seasonally appropriate. Again, this isn't about doing a full site redesign, but just making your store 1% better than last week. I promise over time, all those 1% are going to add up. If you need some help customizing your Shopify store, well, no worries, friend. Just check out this 30-minute design video tutorial right here. So that's exactly what I would spend my time on each week to market my Shopify store and grow my sales in just 1 hour per week. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below to see more videos all about how to launch and grow your Shopify store.